That's right, turn around. Hey, David. David, can you see? Can you see, David?
I didn't see it.
Hey, next time we're bringing like flash rounds or something.
No, don't bring any actual flash. No pyro allowed. Why no flash grenades?
Oh well. Yeah.
It's a 2-second thing.
No, like that should last for a while.
Yeah, could you imagine how scared a guy would be? You know, I still haven't been up there.
Really?
Yeah. Looks nice.
I would just hate to get pinned down right there. Because there's nothing you can do about it. Just hide behind the fucking can and hope to God you...
Yeah, you move the can and you just close it. You just sit there laying down. Like, yep, I'm not moving anytime soon.
Damn, David, you gotta lose some weight. That car went down.
Hey, listen, motherfucker. Only 140 pounds.
Damn, dude. I'm fat as fuck then. I'm 40 pounds heavier than your ass.
Hey, sit down. Let's break the suspension.
Nah, I'm good.
You want to feel fat?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Alright guys, we're wearing white tape. Please go in here. We're not wearing tape.
Watch, we're gonna end up being in the house.
You know what? They already did the house game. A mad pygmy.
Mad pygmy.
A mad pygmy.
A mad pygmy. Amen.
I guess so. What are we playing?
I don't know yet. We gotta see how the teams are though.
Yeah, we play bomb game today?
Why do you like that game mode so much?
I got a request for the hostage. Oh, fuck.
Who's gonna be hostage? You?
Wait, which hostage?
Sure. Please, not the rush hostage game.
Oh,
Not Black Hawk, not the Black Hawk.
No, yeah, the other one, bullshit. If whoever's faster than the other team is gonna win every time.
That's why it's called rush.
Guy, you gotta work out that cardio. Remember we did.
Bro, I can't run. My knees all fucked up. I'm barely running now.
We need to see how big the teams are and then.
Just throw it in the top car. Let's see, wait, we've done the fin of the house. We've done the flag game. We've done force on force a couple times now.
Let's play knives only.
It's like a big game of tag. You pay $20 for it.
Hell yeah.
Hey, you know what? Let's play tag. Fuck that shit. Let's go play tag. Hey, seriously, hey, let's just straight play tag.
Let's just
Hide and seek. Wait, one guy with a gun. No, whoever's in has the gun. He has to tag other people out.
Yeah, I'm in.
Yo, I'm up for it. Hey, I'm up for it.
Hey, but you have to go to Walmart and get one of those guns.
I'll spring one, okay? I'll use this nigga's Springers only. Alright, I have, can I use yours?
Hey, tag match.
The people here actually came to play Airsoft.
Hey, guy. You gotta change shit up.
Who wants to play hide and seek?
Yo, come on.
As everybody looks at him with that awkward, we left kindergarten a while ago face.
Tag the other person out.
Not awkward. We paid $20 to play that shit.
Who wants to play Airsoft? I'd like to.
But I play on. I like it.
Thank you.
I like your grip. I'm a little skeptical about that.
What?
Let's make the teams even
Looks like you're holding a chainsaw.
Do you guys sell grips like that?
Alright guys, white tape, move a little further.
Oh, the
Smoke
protection.
channels?
They sell it really fast. I'll go check for you
We're not wearing
after.
tape right now.
I think we have them where they like those.
If you could get them like tan or green, like this green, that'd be awesome.
Hey, tape over here.
I feel like that's the first gun I ever had. Is that a Stag 15?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's the first gun I ever had.
this is my first M4.
Nice.
Other than that, I run my sweet little Tommy.
Mine didn't have the front triangle sight.
Yeah, I got this off you guys actually. And then I made it look ugly.
Feel like it? That's all that matters.
Yeah. I got a 1,000 round auto winder just waiting for a full auto match.
Play Fierce on Fierce.
What do you guys want to play?
Hey, one course, one respawn.
Hostage, you guys want hostage? Hostage, and also hostage. Hands over here.
Ah, fuck it.
You guys are gonna go behind the house. The rest is gonna play the defense back there. Go over there. If you have tape already, go behind the bench. All right. If you don't have tape, we're on the seats over there.
Wait.
Where's Nick?
Come on, Skippy, I'm gonna take you for a ride. Let's go. God damn it. Yeah. There's gonna be a hostage, and we're gonna have to get him, I guess.
What are we playing?
Hostage.
Oh, hostage.
We're playing hide and seek? Oh man, I'm gonna post up right up there.
That's both sides, right? I can shoot you so easy from there.
That's the point.
We're playing the hostage game where there's two sides, right?
No, we're playing the one where I think the hostage is in the middle. Oh, the hostage is in the cop car. We gotta pick him up and get the hell out of there.
Yo, dude. What's your channel called?
I'm a mad pygmy.
A what?
A mad pygmy. And David, put that shit back! Why the fuck do I always turn around and it's always David? No!
What? I can feel this. That shit's gonna kill somebody.
Okay, can you please just put that shit on my back and stop touching my shaft?
No.
Oh, you can't touch your shaft?
Nah, man.
Why?
I have a girlfriend. I can't let men touch my shaft anymore.
Why are you wearing that?
Because it's not holding up.
And he's got rather which hostage are we playing?
The one where the guy's in the cop car.
Oh. Cool. Like I can't bend it or forward it or anything. Like the first one I played right? But since then especially run all the way over there. Just to run all the way back. I don't even take your gun. Nah, I'm probably gonna run straight over there to the bank, the ATM, and start shooting across. Okay. So we're playing the regular monkeys. No, we're playing. Oh, we might be playing the regular hostage, right?
We are. They're not posted over there.
How do you
He's in the cop car.
Ones, yeah, and we have the guy with okay, if it's the normal one, he's in the cop car, we gotta move him back to our base. The other one is we start on this side, the other start on the other side, on the court. We can't shoot across spawn until we get across the middle. Then we went to the normal one.
Yeah, because I don't see anyone over there.
Over there already. The normal hostage game is fun as fuck too.
And that's the case. Here's my gun, here's my vest, I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. More like 15 seconds.
Yeah, I know. Guy, I would outrun most of the babies.
I remember the first time we played the Rush Hostage game, and half of us were like, what the fuck happened? Who won? And they're like, they won. Okay, and then the second game, we fucking murdered them. They're like, they were still in the house by the time we got the hostage back. It was fucking sad. Whatever game it is, I don't know. We don't play bomb game because it takes too long. That's the only issue.
Yeah.
It's like because the bomb has to be in the car for 10 minutes, but if it gets moved back to the travel agency, it's 5 minutes. And then if they move it back from the travel agency back to the car, they win automatically. The issue is like that could take 25 minutes. That's the issue. They don't want to have long ass games.
Can I do a drive-by with this?
I just noticed I don't have my gloves.
I want that.
You want them? Oh, mine?
No, I'll get mine.
Yeah.
Dude, they're right there. This case is gonna.
I don't want to wear gloves.
Oh, come on. It's a horse.
What? Shut up. I'm not dual wielding.
Hey, can I shoot up once? What the hell? Hey,
Guy, you dropped my fucking shotgun like it's all good.
I do not move.
everyone in the corner.
I had it perfectly placed.
Alright guys, need to listen up over here. This is a hostage game. There's one hostage. He's inside the police car. All of the doors are unlocked. The objective of this game is to retrieve the hostage from the police car and bring him to the enemy team spawn point. That's like the keypad.
Where does it go?
No respawn. Zero.
Shit, dude.
No respawn, he said.
Here, hold this.
The other side.
Are you serious?
I don't know.
Oh. What do you guys do?
Fucking dumbass tried to perch the freaking.
It was perfect. It was like this.
Hold on, dude.
Right there, and it was working.
Fuck,
Fucked up
dude.
your shotgun. It's his shotgun.
My shotgun.
I take good care of it. Yeah, I take good care of a shotgun.
He doesn't have a gun, doesn't have a vest, doesn't have a mask, doesn't have shit. That's my mask. That's my vest.
These are my patches.
Literally, they are.
It's his knee pad.
That's his knee pad. The only thing that he owns is the fucking gloves.
What about his shirt?
That's my shirt.
That's our shirt.
Those are my pants.
Underwear.
Those are my shoes. That's my underwears.
That's hot.
Hell yeah, it's hot.
Bro, I slept over at his place and I forgot clothes.
And those socks are mine.
Okay, I don't think you want these socks. I actually have
them
holes
up
in
for
them.
you.
So do mine.
His hair is mine.
You're good.
Foot stink fetish.
Let's thank. Woo! Let me see them tootsies. Takes them off, steps on BB.
And you know what's funny? This has you point like if this was pointed that way, it'd be too funny. Alright, you guys ready? What? Ready?
Yeah.
I'm walking.
Ready?
Always ready.
Guy, we gotta walk.
Hey, you wanna go to the shop so we can just shoot at the house?
Yeah.
Watch out. You meet again.
What the fuck is that?
It's a Nerf bullet.
Fuck you! Call it!
Damn it! You can't even get a respawn?
Someone cover this for me and someone...
Come on, let's go.
There's someone already in there.
Friendly behind you. Let's go.
What the fuck did it? Literally, this is my worst game mode. Yeah, we're gonna move. Show?
Hey, we like everybody.
Huh?
There's 3 guys.
I heard them sneaking around. Dude, this game's way too quiet.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Window. First window, first window. Fucking shit. Oh, David, sorry.
Covering your back.
Hit that fucking hit in the ear. Ow. Fuck.
Catch your back.
Alright.
Ricochet stuff, guys.
Yeah, I know. Poke in, poke in.
Yeah, look. There's no shot here. Actually, he's in the way.
Oh, okay.
Like, literally, he's in the way.
Hey, house door. One door. One door.
What? I don't see anybody there. Hey, yo, guys. Yo, hey, is anybody on the edge of the garage? No, hey, no. There's nobody there.
What the fuck is that thing?
Huh? My penis.
Did you get him out of the car?
Yeah.
Hey,
Did we win?
we took the hostage. It should be game over. I got it, yeah.
No, we don't gotta get him out of the car. We gotta think the enemy's coming. We gotta think the enemy's coming.
Yo, hey, you know, he just got the house in the second room, I think. Can you see him from there? Okay, oh, wait, now there's a guy in the garage? Hey, yo, hey, there's one guy in the garage. Hey, there's one guy in the garage now. One guy.
Keep your eye in the back. Keep your eye in the back. We got this. Yeah. Just anywhere.
Dude! What's up?
Shit. Whoa, don't shoot. Hey, come here on the door! On the door! Get in the cover, dude! Move in! Shit, out! Out, 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 out. Fuck. Damn, I think he hit the camera. Fuck, I think he hit my camera. Damn it.